Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how we have got 300 plus leads with the CPA of 15 pounds for a carpet cleaning company. So now in terms of the client background, in the competitive carpet cleaning industry, our client carpet cleaning business aim to increase their customer base by reaching potential clients in need of carpet cleaning services. They needed an effective strategy to get leads while maintaining a reasonable cost per conversion. Now in terms of the goals, the primary goal was to get 300 plus consistent leads at the CPA of $15. To meet this goal, we implemented a comprehensive Google Ads campaign tailored to the carpet cleaning industry. Our approach included the following key elements. First is the keyword research. We conducted extensive keyword research to identify high conversion keywords related to carpet cleaning services. This ensured that our ads were displayed to users actively seeking for carpet cleaning. The next is the ad copy optimization. We have set up the compelling ad copies that highlighted the business expertise, services, and the benefits of professional carpet cleaning. We emphasize the value of clean carpets to attract potential clients. The next is the location targeting. The campaign was geographically targeted to reach users specifically in the areas served by the carpet cleaning business. This ensured that the ads reached a relevant local audience. The next is the ad extensions. We utilize the ad extensions such as site link, call out to give additional information and enhance the ad visibility. These extensions also really help to improve the CTR. The next is the bid management. We continuously monitored and adjusted bid strategies to maintain a cost-effective campaign while maximizing lead generation based on the keyword performance. And the next is the conversion tracking. We implemented the conversion tracking to measure the success of the campaign, understanding which keywords and the ads were driving the most leads and optimize accordingly. The Google AdWords campaign yielded exceptional results for the carpet cleaning business. The top converting keywords are carpet cleaning near me, rug cleaning near me, carpet cleaning service. The campaign consistently gets over 300 high quality leads connecting potential client with the carpet cleaning business. The campaign successfully maintained a CPA of 15 pounds, meeting the cost efficiency goal. The next is the increased customer base. The campaign significantly contributed to expanding the carpet cleaning business customer base and really helping them to grow their practice. The business gained increased brand visibility and the recognition in the competitive carpet cleaning industry. The return on investment from the Google AdWords campaign was highly favorable, making it a cost-effective channel for the client. Our Google AdWords campaign successfully met the goal of getting 300 plus consistent leads for the carpet cleaning business with a CPA of 15 pounds. By implementing a strategic approach that included keyword research, the ad copy optimization, location targeting, the ad extensions, bid management, and the conversion tracking, we were able to drive remarkable results and contribute to the growth of the business. If you are looking to achieve similar results for your carpet cleaning business, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us for a customized Google Ads strategy tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks. See you in the next video.